The unexpected brain benefits of a short afternoon nap. A long-held view of naps as a sign of laziness or poor sleep habits is being challenged by emerging neuroscience. Recent research suggests that a brief afternoon nap, around 45 minutes, can actually reset the brain, enhancing learning and mental clarity. This isn't about catching up on lost sleep. It's about optimizing cognitive function. How the study worked: researchers at a controlled sleep lab examined 20 healthy adults in 2 separate sessions. One session involved an afternoon nap between 1:15 and 2:15 p.m., while the other kept participants awake. Participants averaged 45 minutes of light to moderate sleep during the nap sessions. Brain activity was measured before and after each session using electroencephalography, EEG, to track electrical brain rhythms, and transcranial magnetic stimulation, TMS, to assess how easily neurons could form new connections. This allowed scientists to observe both synaptic strength and the brain's plasticity, its ability to learn. The brain on naps: less saturation, more learning. The results were striking. Participants who napped showed reduced overall synaptic strength paired with an increased capacity to form new synaptic connections. In simpler terms, the brain appeared less overloaded and more receptive to new information. Throughout the day, synapses strengthen as we absorb information. However, too much saturation makes it harder to efficiently encode new data. The nap acted as a reset button, gently lowering synaptic activity to create space for learning. This explains why people often feel more focused and creative after a short rest. These changes mirror the effects of a full night's sleep, but on a faster, smaller scale. Naps versus sleep deprivation: the study makes a critical distinction. Naps are not a substitute for addressing chronic sleep deprivation. If you struggle with nighttime sleep, behavioral therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia remain the best approach. However, for those who sleep well, an occasional afternoon nap may optimize brain learning capacity, especially during periods of high cognitive demand. This could be valuable for students, athletes, creatives, or anyone facing mentally intense workdays. How to nap effectively to maximize the benefits of a brain-friendly nap. Time it right. Aim for 30-60 minutes between 1 and 3 p.m. Keep it consistent but optional. You don't need to nap daily. Optimize your environment. Dim lights, a comfortable temperature, and minimal noise will help. The key takeaway is that sleep doesn't just passively restore the brain, it actively reshapes its ability to learn. Even a short afternoon nap can recalibrate synaptic activity, making your brain more flexible, efficient, and ready for new information. In a culture that often equates fatigue with productivity, this study reminds us that sometimes the smartest move is to rest.